Hi guys, welcome back to Ballet Cymru's online tutorials. So today I'm going to be taking you through a stretch and relax session. So this is all about just being really nice and calm, not pushing your body too much, and if any of the stretches that I'm about to show you hurt whilst you're doing them, then just take it a step back. This is more just kind of relaxing into the stretches and kind of feel like a nice stretch rather than a painful stretch. So yeah, if anything is too sore, take it a step back. There's no worries there. This is just about listening to your body and doing what feels nice for you. But yeah, just make sure you're wearing appropriate clothing, something nice and comfortable, and let's get into the video. Okay, so for the first section of the stretch, you are going to need to hold on to something. So I've got this ledge, you know, could be a chair. Chair is great because you need to kind of hold on to something. But yeah, just a surface to hold on to would be amazing. There should be a couch right here, but I've moved that for the video. So yeah, just make sure you've got space and you've got something that you can cling on to. Right, okay, so we're going to have our legs in parallel, holding onto our ledge, our chair, whatever it is. And what we're going to do, we're just going to pull back and sit in this position. So basically you're stretching the lower half of your spine. And yeah, I can feel a stretch in my spine and my shoulders. It's really comfy to sit in. I'm just going to hold this for a bit. Again, if you're on a chair, you just might need to step a little bit further back to get that stretch, but it should be there still. And then from here, we're just going to come up a little bit, take a couple of steps back and go into a flat back. Again, still holding on to your ledge. And just pushing your lower back down to the floor. Okay, you're gonna roll up, step closer to our ledge again, and then do the same routine. So just pull down and sit into this stretch. I'm just going to step back again, nice flat back. Okay, and rolling up nice and slowly. Okay, so taking our right leg forward, our left leg back, we're just going to stretch forward. Recover, turn around, other side, and recover, two hands on the ledge, and let's just take a quad stretch. So hold this wherever you feel you get your stretch. Making sure your posture is nice and strong still. And let's change legs. Okay, and just nicely release that leg. So this is quite high, but what I want you to do is take your leg, pop it onto the ledge, like so. So it's kind of a bent, not quite 90-degree angle, but just on your ledge. Make sure this supporting leg is nice and tall and strong, and just stretch over. You should feel a stretch in your glutes. Obviously, it depends on the height of the ledge if this is comfortable or not, but if not, just carry on stretching like we did before and then follow on to the next exercise. Okay, again, really slowly release these legs from the stretches. Don't do any quick movements, because that can be when something tries or pops, and we don't like that. And again, really slowly just bring that leg down. Don't do any quick movements. And again, like we did at the beginning, let's just go back to our pull away. And go to this position again. And again, let's go to our flat back. So just a couple of steps back, pushing into that stretch. From here, just release your hands and let's just stretch here. Okay, from here, let's just clear all the way down to the floor. And sit on the floor, and we're going to do a little bit more floor stretching. Okay, so now that we're on the floor, let's line our backs. And let's do another glute stretch. So we're going to take our right leg over our left, hands through the gap, and then just pull into that stretch. Slowly release that leg. Let's swap legs. So left over right and pull in. Okay, and let's release that leg. Now we're going to take our right leg again and just hug it into our chest. Whatever feels comfortable for you. And now let's take it over to the left. Head towards the right, stretching that right arm out. This is a really good back stretch. And then just release that leg down. Same thing with the left. So left leg in, hug it tight to your chest. And let's take it over to the right, left arm out, and let's hold this stretch a little bit. Slowly bring yourself up, and then we're just going to do my favourite stretch, which I can't remember what this is called, like the crab or something. But just enough space so that your hips can just sit nicely in this position whilst just stretching on your back. Okay, and you can hold that stretch for as long as you need, but that is the end of the stretching session today. So yeah, it's just quite nice to listen to your body, do stretches that you want to do rather than like hurt your body. So these again are just nice to do any time of day. You don't need to be really warm, but you need to have some you know, you need to have done some movement before you do these stretches. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed and I'll see you soon. Bye!